In a vast and desolate desert, far from any human habitation, lived two birds of great size and majesty, a condor and an eagle. They were the rulers of the skies, each with their own unique qualities. The eagle, swift and strong, was known for his speed and agility. He could soar through the heavens with grace and precision, always reaching the highest points in the sky. The condor, on the other hand, was not as fast, but he was wise and patient. He could glide for hours on end, using the least amount of effort, and had a keen sense of observation. One day, a great drought swept over the desert. The once plentiful water sources dried up, and the animals suffered. The eagle, in his haste, flew to distant lands in search of water, but returned empty-handed. The condor, however, remained in the desert, conserving his energy. He waited and watched, and one day, he noticed a tiny puddle hidden in the shadows of a rock. He shared this discovery with the other animals, and they drank their fill. The eagle, upon his return, was surprised to find the desert bustling with life. He asked the condor, "Why did you not come with me to find water?" The condor replied, "Patience and wisdom often lead to discoveries that speed and haste overlook." The eagle realized his mistake, and from that day forward, he learned to wait and observe, just like the condor. And the desert, once barren and lifeless, became a thriving oasis, thanks to the wisdom of the slow and steady condor. In the end, the moral of this story is that patience and wisdom can lead to great rewards, even in the face of adversity.